Finally, we're getting the snow that was supposedly going to snow at 10 a.m., then noon, then 2 o'clock. It's now 4:30. Reporting from WKRN, KORN, Corn. Maisie, come on. Right now, it's not heavy. It's nice, though. Poor puppy. You want to go in the snow? Come on. There, maybe you can see it better there. Oh, Lord. Not like you people in Florida. Well, it's really coming down now. Probably a little bit more blizzard-like because of the wind, but we don't have whiteout conditions yet. This is normal February weather, not 74 degrees. Eat your heart out, Floridians. Well, time to put some salt down. About 9 o'clock, it definitely turned into a blizzard. So you're going past the lamp. 6 to 10 inches is the estimate. Probably make driving a little difficult tomorrow. Okay, I wish I was in Florida. I'm pulling out of my driveway. We got a little over 6 inches of snow. My neighbor's shoveling. Happily, I live on what's called Hospital Road. You can kind of figure out the road, so it gets cleared first. We have Nebraska 511, so you go on there and it shows you how the roads are, and then it also shows you truck cams. So there were like 200 to 300 snow plows out this morning, and it's really kind of cool. If you go on Nebraska 511, you can see all the trucks, and you click on them and they have dash cams so you can see what the road looks like. And then of course we have cameras. But those guys were out probably at 2 in the morning to clear the roads so everybody could get to work. Omaha looked pretty bad, but from here to Columbus was already clear. So pink is completely covered. So up until 2 a.m. it was pink. Now it's blue, which means it's either partially covered or passable. Okay. So you gotta be super careful. Your speed, stopping, all that has changed. So you can't hit the brakes and then you not expect to slide. In town, honestly, this is not bad. You can see the snow piled up on the left. Our trucks in town were already out. Everybody's at the gym this morning, working out. The guys, our road crew, are pretty efficient. I mean, they do have a get it done attitude. And then you've got county trucks under a different rule, well, different group, and then state trucks. Good morning. Reporting from Nebraska, WKORN. There's somebody's plastic part to their bumper in the snow. Whoops. Roads are partially covered. It's not perfect, but it's not the end of the world. I mean, I'm out. I got on Nebraska 511, and you can see all the trucks where they are and how much of the road they've got cleared. So pink is completely covered. Blue is partially covered. And so right now things are kind of blue. And then it's supposed to be sunny and warm. So it's not like it's gonna stay this way. The roads, because of the sun and the pavement, they heat up much faster, and then of course they melt the snow. So I'm on my way out. There's already a lot of traffic. Everybody be careful.